Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best home COVID tests is probably one of the most important things you can have in your home right now. With the rise of new variants and the ease of transmission, knowing your status quickly is crucial. In this video, we'll dive into the best at-home COVID tests available, comparing their accuracy, ease of use, and cost, so you can make an informed decision and stay ahead of the curve. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Row and Ride Glute Trainer. This compact machine helps you perfect your squat form. It supports a deeper range of motion, engaging your full body. It's a trusted solution for both cardio and strength training. Target key muscle groups with one powerful movement. This ergonomic machine works your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, back, and shoulders. It's perfect for effective, low-impact total body training at home. Pair it with the free SunnyFit app for guided workouts. You'll get AI-powered plans, real-time tracking, global workout tours, and access to an exclusive fitness community, led by world-class trainers. Customize your workout with multiple pin lock positions for deep, mid-level, or neutral squats. This versatile setup supports a balanced routine tailored to your strength, flexibility, and goals. Challenge your strength with 3 built-in resistance bands, offering up to 66 pounds of total resistance. It's perfect for scaling your workouts from beginner to advanced levels. This compact machine folds easily for quick storage. It's great for home gyms, apartments, or small spaces. It's lightweight and simple to move when not in use. Engineered for strength and stability, it supports up to 330 pounds. It's built for long-term performance and reliability across all fitness levels. What we like? This machine offers a full-body workout, engaging multiple muscle groups with each movement. Its foldable design makes it perfect for small spaces, allowing you to easily store it when not in use. If you are looking for a comprehensive workout solution that fits seamlessly into your home, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to use. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. The results were accurate. Number 4. HUHETA KN95 30-pack Face Mask. This mask features a 5-ply design, offering enhanced protection compared to standard 3-ply masks. It is designed to block over 95% of particles, keeping you safe. Each of these KN95 masks comes individually wrapped in the package. This packaging helps to prevent contamination, ensuring the masks are clean and ready to use. With a minimum filtration efficiency of 98%, this mask provides excellent protection. It effectively filters out dust, PM 2.5, haze, smoke, and exhaust, making it ideal for various environments. The mask is designed for comfort with high elastic ear loops and an adjustable nose clip. It's lightweight and foldable, ensuring a snug fit without straining your ears. It covers your mouth, nose, and chin easily. The package includes a variety of colors: pink, royal blue, orange, gray, and red. Each color comes in a pack of 6, giving you options to match your style. Please note, this KN95 mask is not an N95 mask. For more details about KN95 masks, please visit the provided link before making your purchase. What we like? This mask provides 5-ply protection, offering superior filtration against particles. Each mask is individually wrapped, ensuring hygiene and convenience. If you prioritize safety and convenience in your daily life, then this mask is a great choice. What people say. Easy to use. Results were available quickly. The test kit is well designed. Number 3. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service DNA Test. Are you curious about your health and ancestry? This at-home DNA test kit offers a comprehensive view of your genetic makeup. It provides personalized insights to help you understand your health better. The service includes FDA-authorized reports on health predispositions and carrier status. It helps you understand potential health risks and make informed decisions about your well-being. You can also gain insights into wellness aspects like diet, exercise, and sleep. Beyond health, it also offers insights into your ancestry. You can trace your origins and build your family tree. This service combines health and ancestry to give you a more complete picture of who you are. The process is simple and convenient. The kit requires a saliva sample, and there are no needles involved. You register the kit online, spit in the tube, and send it back. You'll receive your personalized reports in just a few weeks. Your DNA data is kept private and secure. The company uses encryption and enhanced security measures to protect your information. You have control over what you learn and share, ensuring your privacy. This product has been recognized for its innovation. It is designed to empower you with knowledge about your health and heritage. Take control of your health journey with this insightful service. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive view of your health through DNA analysis. It offers personalized health reports and insights into your ancestry. If you're looking to understand your health predispositions and explore your family history, it is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to use. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. The test results were accurate. Number 2. SpeedySwab 3-in-1 COVID-19 and Flu Test Kit. Are you experiencing cold or flu-like symptoms? This test kit provides rapid results in just 15 minutes. It's authorized by the FDA and designed for convenient at-home use. Use this test if you have symptoms, after close contact, or before potentially high-risk activities. This helps you make informed decisions quickly. This over-the-counter test is for adults and children aged 2 and up. It uses a gentle nasal swab to check for COVID-19, Flu A, and Flu B with one sample. This FDA-authorized combo test is clinically evaluated for reliability. It provides sensitive and specific results in about 15 minutes, helping you decide your next steps. If you or your child has fever, cough, or other symptoms, this test can help determine if it's COVID-19, Influenza A, or Influenza B. This helps you to get the right care. Avoid clinic waits with this portable 3-in-1 test kit. It's easy to store, pack, and use at home or on the go. It is also HSA and FSA eligible. What we like. This test offers a 3-in-1 solution, detecting COVID-19 and Flu A and B with a single sample. It provides fast results in just 15 minutes, saving you time and hassle. If you need quick and convenient testing for multiple illnesses, it is the ideal solution. What people say. Easy to use. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. The test results were accurate. Number 1. SpeedySwab 3-in-1 COVID-19 and Flu Test. Are you feeling under the weather? This test provides results in just 15 minutes. It's a quick and convenient way to find out what's causing your symptoms. Use this test when you experience cold or flu-like symptoms. It's also recommended after close contact or before visiting high-risk environments. This will help you make informed decisions. This over-the-counter test is for adults and children aged 2 and up. It uses a gentle nasal swab to check for COVID-19, Flu A, and Flu B. It offers a comprehensive analysis. This FDA-authorized test is clinically evaluated for reliability. It provides highly sensitive and specific results. You can trust the results to guide your next steps. If you have fever, chills, or a sore throat, this test is ideal. It helps determine if you have COVID-19, Influenza A, or Influenza B. This will help you get the right care. Skip clinic waits with this portable home test kit. It's easy to store, pack, and use at home or on the go. It's also HSA and FSA eligible. What we like. This test offers a 3-in-1 solution, detecting COVID-19 and Flu A and B with a single sample. It provides fast results in just 15 minutes, saving you time and hassle. If you need quick and convenient testing for multiple illnesses, it is the ideal solution. What people say. Easy to use. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. The results were available quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.